Alright, so this is the hideout, and I just thought it'd be better if I drove you through here instead of just showing you the lot. That way you'll get an idea. This is all it's just all woods. You're about 5 miles from a ramp, real close to town. But this is the style of homes that are being done out here. And the lot number 20 is on the same side of the road as this. So that's kind of the setback from the road as what the lot is going to be. And then there's lots on the high side available. Pretty big lots, 5 to 6 acres. These dogs love the dog biscuits. Cute little place. You can do barnuminiums, but they just have to have that metal roof look. See, this house right here, this is fairly new, but that's kind of the setback from the house that you'd get. And you could put a garage there or anything like that, but and then there's a house up there. So they're just little cottage series homes. They were pulled out of Southern Living magazine, I believe. And see, he's got a big garage. It doesn't have to be red roof. But I'm going to jump up. And as you can see, there's a lot of space between the neighbors because, like I said, the lots are pretty good size. There's a house up there. And here's the lot here. Let me park. And this is why I didn't really want to tape just the lot, because it's woods. But it has been cleared out at one point. This is just regrowth. So it's ready to go. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.